What's going on, fellow riders? Dropping your phone while cruising down the highway is a nightmare nobody wants to experience. That is why today on Tech Kingo, we are checking out the best motorcycle phone mount to keep your device locked in safe and sound. Let's get started. Up next is the Lamical BM02 motorcycle phone mount, an accessory designed to change how you ride. Whether you are pedaling a bicycle, cruising on a motorcycle, or zipping around on an electric scooter, having quick access to your phone is essential. The Lamical BM02 motorcycle phone mount combines uncompromised safety, incredible versatility, and daily convenience. It gives you true peace of mind so you can focus entirely on the road ahead instead of constantly worrying about your device taking a tumble onto the pavement. Let us talk about how it holds your device. This mount features a highly secure design that firmly grips each corner of your phone. Instead of just squeezing the sides, securing the four corners ensures that the phone stays safely locked in place. It will not slide around, even when you are riding over rough, bumpy, and unpredictable roads. Lamical took the security a massive step further too. On the back of the mount, there is a dedicated red switch. Once you place your phone into the holder, you simply flip this switch, and it physically locks the gripping arms in place. This provides an added layer of security, ensuring that hitting a sudden pothole will not send your phone flying. Beyond just holding your phone tightly, the Lamical BM02 motorcycle phone mount is built with impressive shockproof protection. The mounting cradle is lined with premium silicone pads. These pads act as a gentle protective barrier that completely shields the delicate edges of your phone from scratches and scuffs. Second, they act as powerful shock absorbers that drastically reduce harsh vibrations traveling from your handlebars to your phone. This keeps your device stable while cycling, making it easier to read your screen. It also actively protects your phone's internal camera components from vibration damage. While riding, you might need your phone positioned differently depending on what application you are using. Thankfully, this mount features a fully adjustable viewing angle. A smooth mechanism allows you to effortlessly switch between horizontal and vertical orientations with a simple twist. This makes it easy to use a GPS navigation app in landscape mode, and then seamlessly switch to portrait mode to answer calls or manage music without stopping your bike. You might be wondering if your specific smartphone will fit. This is a truly universal phone holder designed to comfortably accommodate a massive range of modern devices. It easily supports smartphones ranging from 4.7 inches all the way up to 6.8 inches. Furthermore, it holds phones up to 0.59 inches thick, meaning you do not have to take your favorite protective case off every time you want to go for a ride. Because of this generous sizing, it is compatible with today's most popular models. Whether you have a device from the iPhone 17 series, the iPhone 16 series, an iPhone 15, or an iPhone 14, it slides right in. Android users are also covered, as it securely holds devices like the Galaxy S24, S23, S22, the Note 9, and various LG phones. No matter what specific device you rely on, this mount has you covered. Moving on to the physical setup, the installation process could not be simpler. You can actually install and adjust the entire mounting base with just one hand, and it requires absolutely zero tools. To ensure a snug fit on your specific bike, the mount includes 4 extra silicone sizing pads. You can add or remove these pads to perfectly adjust the grip depending on your exact handlebar diameter. The adjustable clamp securely wraps around handlebars ranging from 0.59 inches up to 1.57 inches. Because of this wide adjustment range, the mount offers outstanding adaptability for multiple riding scenarios. It works seamlessly with a huge variety of transports, including standard pedal bikes, heavy-duty motorcycles, electric bikes, and even items like baby strollers or shopping carts. With the Lamical BM02, you get a highly flexible way to always access your device safely while on the move. Are you ready to ride with total confidence? Check the price link in the description to upgrade your setup today. Please remember to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more amazing gear showcases. Thank you so much for watching and stay safe out there.